Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMetsop Research Company, and here I am to teach you about trim function in Excel. So basically this trim function is a function which is able to actually delete excess spaces in your text data. So actually this function works with text, and the input is the text with excess spaces, and what it does is that it removes the unnecessary spaces. There are some points which I will explain in during the video. So here let's say I have some data. I have category number, which the number word is actually is not, it's not correct. Okay, between M and B is space, which should not be. And then I have some spaces between number and 1. Then in the other example, I have category number 1, which words are correct, but there are some spaces between each word. And then I have one value, one number with this text, and then I have 3 numbers. So I want to see how is Excel going to remove these spaces? Is it going to recognize that this number is a whole word or no? So what I will do is actually like any other function, I will first put an equal mark, then I go for typing trim, and then it says select your text. So my text is here. I close the parentheses and click enter. So as you can see here, it doesn't recognize your whole word. So what Excel can recognize is these segments. So this segment, and this segment, and the last segment, these are recognized as the whole word or the whole segment. And what Excel does is that it removes this actually space. So it says category, as you can see here, category space num space var space 1. So let's see what happens for these other examples. As you can see here, when I have written the whole word and there's just spaces in between, it actually becomes an appropriate message, category number 1, so it's correct. Then I wanted to see whether it recognizes the number with the text, which you can see it does. So it's category number space 1 and number. And then I had these 3 numbers with excessive spaces, which you can see didn't become 123. It became 1 space 2 space 3. So there's a whole there's the general rule about this function. It doesn't understand your words. It doesn't understand your meaning of this writings. So it just understands that it should put 1 space and remove other spaces between each segments. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. So please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMetsop channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.